honorable chief guest, respected dignitaries, members of the faculty, and dear friends, I have great pleasure in sharing my thoughts with you today as we come together to celebrate the great and grand culture of India. India is synonymous with hospitality and large-heartedness. The warmth of India is to be seen in its multifarious interactions and exchanges with peoples, races, and communities from around the world. The acme of hospitality in India may be witnessed in the homes of Indians. The warmth that Indians show in their homes is a representation of their warm-heartedness. Atithi Devo Bhav is a dictum the Indian lives by. The guest, in other words, is treated as a god. It is a sign of Indians' love and faith in the human race with no discrimination and reservation. Indians can embrace other humans with open arms. Xenophobia is not a characteristic of the hospitable and warm Indian. The sense of hospitality lets Indians give priority to guests over themselves. To ensure their well-being and comfort, the idea of hospitality in the people can be seen as the root of the country's culture, as an accepting and embracing one, willing to be inclusive in its approach. This has always been the tradition of India and its people. The culture of India has not remained rigid, but has been a very elastic one, seamlessly accepting and integrating disparate elements from all over the world within itself. This has generated a healthy culture of robustly diverse traditions, practices, and customs, and all of this diversity has found its place under the Indian sun. In fact, the Indian psyche has been such as to promote diversity and foster the growth of the many elements making up the culture of the country. Therefore, we find in India the presence of so many different faiths, all willing to live together harmoniously, in a spirit of common brotherhood and love. India has liberally, with open arms and large hearts, been willing to play host of all religions. People have the freedom and liberty to practice their faith and follow their customs and traditions fearlessly. You can see the Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Sikhs, Jains, Jews, and Zoroastrians making up the Indian populace. It may be said that the people of the country have been very forward in their thinking. As a corollary, Indian culture is a very forward-looking one. The hospitality of Indians has been a trait that has found its expression in every field making. The culture of the country a highly evolved one. For all the diversity that India possesses, there is an underlying unity. And this makes for peace and harmony among the people. The unity is, in fact, in the shared ideals of service, common brotherhood and love. Indian society is pluralistic. And the Indian culture has evolved to be a rich, vibrant, and sustainable one. We, as Indians, are, one and all, proud to be part of what makes up the Indian culture. Thank you all.